Dear students, welcome to introductory class of basic geometrical ideas. Here is a column, tabular column that is developed for you to understand the basics of geometrical ideas and the figurative representation and the mathematical representation. Line line is nothing but a straight path that passes through two different points indefinitely. Just observe this definition. A straight path passing through two different points indefinitely. That is, if continues on B side or on A side, it just goes on increasing. That is, indefinitely it is moving. This is called as a line. A straight path that passes through two distinct points is called as a line. Whereas mathematical representation of this line will be AB, and above that you will be writing an arrow mark headed on both the sides because it extends on both the sides. Similarly, line segment is only a portion of a line whose particular distance is known. A line segment is just a portion of a line. It is a part of a line, and hence there is no arrow mark at all here, and it is mathematically represented as AB, and there is just a dash. There is just a dash on it. Similarly, a ray means a line that starts from a fixed point A and extends in a single direction. Here AB is called as ray because it starts from A and it goes in a single direction, and mathematical representation is AB. A is initial point and B is the point at which the ray is moving. You cannot write it as BA, write it as AB. A is initial point, B is the point towards which ray is heading. That's how we define. Similarly, we come across intersecting lines. If two lines meet one another at one particular common point, then the lines are called intersecting lines. The point at which both of them meet is called the point of intersection. P is called as point of intersection. AB and CD are two lines. Remember, lines are having both the sides arrows. Similarly, AB and CD are having both arrows on both the sides, and hence they are to be called as lines. That is why intersecting lines, the word intersecting lines. Similarly, we come across concurrent lines. If three or more lines are passing through a single point, then they are known as concurrent lines. Three or more lines must be passing through a single point. The single point is at this position here, and these are called as concurrent lines. Dear students, also you will be studying about the concepts like, supposing I take an example of a square circle, and this is called as chord and this portion is called as a segment. since it is a smaller area and hence it is called as minor segment. And the larger part is naturally called as the major segment. So the major segment and minor segment. If a circle is drawn and center is marked and a radius is drawn, another radius is drawn, and this portion now becomes a sector. This becomes a sector. Similarly, various other simple definite geometrical ideas you will be studying. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your support.